Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that everything you've spent years learning can now be done by a machine in seconds. No more programmers, no more writers, no more designers, no more teachers, just artificial intelligence doing all the work while humans sit on the sidelines. It's a scary thought, and it's exactly why so many people are worried about AI today. Every week there seems to be a new headline claiming that artificial intelligence is becoming smarter, faster, and more capable. AI can write articles, generate images, answer questions, create computer code, analyze data, and even hold conversations that sound surprisingly human. Because of these incredible abilities, many people have started asking the same question. Will AI take my job? It's a fair question. Throughout history, technological revolutions have changed the way people work. The Industrial Revolution replaced many forms of manual labor. Computers automated countless office tasks. The internet transformed entire industries. And now AI appears to be the next major shift. But here's the interesting thing. Whenever new technology arrives, people often assume that human workers will become unnecessary. Yet history tells a very different story. While technology changes jobs, it rarely eliminates the need for people altogether. Instead, it changes what people do and creates new opportunities that didn't exist before. In this video, we're going to explore why AI is unlikely to replace humans completely. We'll examine the biggest concerns people have, the real challenges AI creates, and the solutions that can help workers thrive in an AI-powered world. By the end of this video, you'll see that the future isn't a battle between humans and machines. It's much more likely to be a partnership where both play important roles. So, before you start worrying that a robot is coming for your career, stay with us. The reality of AI and jobs is far more interesting than the headlines suggest. Let's start with the first major concern. AI is incredibly good at handling repetitive work. Data entry, scheduling, simple customer support, document processing, and many other routine activities can now be completed automatically. This naturally creates fear among workers whose jobs involve these tasks. However, automation doesn't necessarily eliminate jobs. More often, it eliminates specific tasks within jobs. For example, calculators didn't replace accountants. Instead, accountants stopped spending hours performing calculations and started focusing on analysis, strategy, and decision-making. In the same way, AI can remove repetitive work while allowing employees to focus on higher-value activities. Workers can adapt by developing skills that involve judgment, creativity, communication, leadership, and problem-solving. These are areas where humans continue to provide significant value. Instead of competing with AI, people can learn how to use AI as a productivity tool. Many writers, artists, designers, and marketers worry because AI can generate text, images, videos, and ideas. At first glance, this seems like direct competition, but creating content is only part of the process. Successful content also requires understanding audiences, building trust, telling meaningful stories, and making strategic decisions. An AI can generate thousands of words, but it doesn't truly understand human experiences in the way people do. Creative professionals can focus on originality, storytelling, emotional connection, and brand identity. AI can help with drafts and brainstorming, but human creativity remains essential for producing work that genuinely connects with people. The most successful creators will likely be those who combine human creativity with AI efficiency. Some companies may use AI to handle tasks traditionally assigned to junior employees. This creates concern because entry-level positions often help people gain experience and advance their careers. Education and training systems need to evolve. Instead of teaching people to perform routine tasks that AI can automate, schools and organizations can focus more on critical thinking, collaboration, adaptability, and digital literacy. People entering the workforce should also learn how to work alongside AI tools from the beginning of their careers. Technology is advancing faster than ever before. Many workers feel overwhelmed by the constant need to learn new tools and adapt to changing workplace expectations. Continuous learning becomes increasingly important. The good news is that learning has never been more accessible. Online courses, tutorials, certifications, and AI-powered learning platforms allow people to develop new skills at their own pace. The workers who remain curious and adaptable will be better positioned for future opportunities. Sometimes the biggest problem isn't AI itself, it's the fear surrounding AI. People often imagine worst-case scenarios and assume that machines will eventually replace every human role. But history shows that predictions about technology replacing all workers have repeatedly proven incorrect. Focus on evidence rather than fear. Most organizations are using AI to enhance human productivity, not eliminate every employee. Businesses still need people to lead teams, manage relationships, understand customers, make ethical decisions, and solve unexpected problems. The future of work will almost certainly include AI, but it will also continue to require human talents that machines cannot fully replicate. Among all the concerns we've discussed, one stands above the rest. The biggest problem is not that AI will become more intelligent. The biggest problem is that many people may fail to adapt. Throughout history, the individuals who struggled the most during technological shifts were often not those replaced by machines, but those who resisted learning new ways of working. Think about the transition from paper records to computers. People who learned computer skills found new opportunities. Those who refused to adapt often found themselves at a disadvantage. AI presents a similar challenge. The workplace of the future will likely look different from today's workplace. Many tasks will become automated. Some roles will change significantly. New professions will emerge. Existing careers will evolve. The question is not whether change is coming. The question is how we respond to it. This brings us to the most important solution of all: human-AI collaboration. Instead of viewing AI as a competitor, we can view it as a powerful tool. A doctor using AI can analyze medical information more efficiently. A teacher using AI can create personalized learning materials. A programmer using AI can write and test code faster. A business owner using AI can automate routine operations and focus on growth. In each case, the human remains central to the process. The AI provides speed and assistance. The human provides direction, judgment, ethics, creativity, and accountability. This combination is often more powerful than either humans or AI working alone. Another reason AI is unlikely to replace all jobs is that people value human interaction. Patients want doctors they can trust. Students want teachers who inspire them. Customers want support from people who understand their concerns. Teams want leaders who can motivate and guide them. Human relationships are not simply technical functions. They involve empathy, understanding, and connection, qualities that remain difficult for machines to replicate authentically. There is also the issue of responsibility. When important decisions are made, society generally expects humans to be accountable. Whether it's healthcare, law, government, education, or business, people want real individuals making final decisions and taking responsibility for outcomes. That means human expertise will continue to matter. So, will AI change the job market? Absolutely. Will some jobs evolve? Without question. Will certain tasks become automated? Definitely. But does that mean humans become obsolete? Not at all. The future belongs to people who learn, adapt, and embrace new tools while continuing to develop uniquely human strengths: creativity, leadership, communication, empathy, critical thinking. These skills have always mattered, and they may become even more valuable in an AI-driven world. So, the next time you hear someone say that AI will take all our jobs, remember this: technology has always changed how we work, but people remain at the center of progress. AI is not the end of human work. It is the beginning of a new chapter in how humans and technology work together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think AI will replace jobs, create jobs, or transform them in ways we haven't imagined yet? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.